My video guide is about removing fake Chrome browser update alerts. These fake Chrome browser update alerts come from the website Performprecisecompletelytheproduct.vip. Performprecisecompletelytheproduct.vip is definitely a deceptive site. It now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. Those that are based on the Chromium open source project. Performprecisecompletelytheproduct.vip tries to trick you into clicking on this Add to Chrome extension, supposedly to update Chrome. But in reality, this is a fake browser update. This extension may function as adware by showing a lot of ads not related to the sites that you visit, or it may function as a browser hijacker that may change some crucial browser settings. In the light of this information, what you should do is to disable and delete any third-party extensions if they were mistakenly added. So access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, Extensions. Now disable and remove any third-party extensions in case you find them. Finally, I recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application and begin investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.